Hi. Welcome to Mindflows. In this video, we'll dive into the exciting world of student templates and how they can streamline your academic life. So let's get started. To view the student templates, first, click the plus sign icon on your workspace, then click Choose from Template. From here, you will be able to see all the templates that are categorized accordingly. Let's search for an easy-to-use template. On the search bar, type Student. Here we will be able to see that there are 5 templates related for our keyword student. See which one suits your requirements. In this case, let's try the Managing Student Life template. Utilize this visual template to effectively handle assignments and manage your school expenses. By doing so, you'll free up more study time and minimize stress. We can also see the apps that this template integrates with. Now, click Use Template. Once that has been added, you will be able to see that the boards are already set up under a folder. From personal finances to class assignments or schedules, these boards are customizable according to your needs. Let's take a look at the Personal Finances board. On this board, you can create a budget for tuition and living expenses. Then track savings for special experiences, like visiting family or rewarding yourself for a successful semester. You can even set up board views and widgets to visualize your finances. How amazing is this template? Whether you're juggling multiple classes, extracurricular activities, or personal commitments, Monday.com can help you stay organized and on track. Try out the Managing Student Life template today and take control of your academic journey. Follow us for more tips. We're Mindflows, a certified Monday.com partner.